super cool. I think that this one, this one. Yo, backlight. It's day 3, so let's see where we're gonna go in day 3. You'll probably have seen my other vlogs that I went to the beach, but I'm not sure where we're going this time around. But I'm pretty sure that we're going somewhere really good, because every single time I go somewhere in Sumbawa, I always, not only in Sumbawa, everywhere I go, I just want to let you know my experience in Sumbawa. It's been really great. I've been loving it. I know why the other team, the first team was homesick. I know why the other team was homesick. So I think it's because they're like literally in the compound, like in this compound that we're actually staying in. There's actually it has a lot of facilities. It has a lot of things, like it has golf. It has tennis, you name it, they have everything. Like they even have a swimming pool that you can actually beat for free. Like the swimming pool, you can actually swim for free here. Tapi kenapa tim yang sebelumnya kayak sedikit homesick gitu? Aku baru nyadar, kayaknya social interaction dengan wanita itu tidak ada, makanya mereka ngerasa homesick lah seperti itu. Maksud aku pas aku bilang wanita kan bisa istri, pacar gitu kan ya. Apa?
Jangan 2 orang, kita masih bujang. Kalau yang satu itu ngerti.
Yang satunya kan ada pacar, yes. Yang tinggal 2 orang, iyalah maksudnya yang satunya kan suka like Instagram orang kan gitu kan. Jadi we're here again in the beach. I told you, the 3rd spot in Sumbawa. Now this beach is a bit different than I came yesterday, but terus kita terbangin drone. So jadi kalau kalian kesini ya ke pantainya ini, itu banyak kayak jualan makanan kayak di warung-warung kayak gini nih. Ada es kelapa, terus ada dangdutan juga.
Ada Indomie, bang?
Ah, ada serius?
Ada Indomie, bang.
Oh, ada Indomie juga. Nah, gue actually dari kemarin, to be honest, gue ngidam sama Indomie sih, sumpah. Gue nggak ngerti kenapa. So the funny thing is, I just realized they have a tsunami warning and a gempa bumi warning. That means kalau ini ada gempa bumi, mungkin airnya naik. Jadi aku sama Erik ambil 1000 langkah. Jadi oke nggak sih di tempatnya ini? Oke banget ya. Pantai Maluk namanya. Not bad sih di Sumbawa. I tell you, I think Sumbawa has a lot of beaches, and the best that I've been to is these 3 beaches. Quite nice sih. Aku lagi kebayang itu kalau malam di sini juga mungkin agak ramai karena banyak kafe-kafe kecil, terus di mana orang-orang pada nongkrong. Mungkin yang orang di sekitarnya sini nongkrong di sini untuk malam-malam, kalau mungkin Indomie kali atau es kelapa kali yang ada di sini. Di belakang kalau kalian bisa ngeliat yang ada di sini tuh ada kayak perahu-perahu, which is really cool sih. Gue lagi mikir bahwa perahunya itu bisa disewa nggak sih? Gue lagi mikir ya kalau nyewa. Nah tapi gue juga memikirkan kedua kali kalau gue mau naik ke perahunya itu kira-kira gue tenggelam ya di tengah jalan. Tapi hanya itu aja sih. They say in Sumbawa the chicken is that big that it's so big, so huge. Let me tell you, it's super huge. So I'm having veggie and I'm gonna have the tongkol also. Okay, wait until I get the tongkol, okay? Booyah! Thank you so much for stumbling into my YouTube channel. Appreciate it that you watched my videos all the way until now. And if you haven't already, please do make sure you punch that like button at the bottom and also press that share button. At the same time, if you can, you like any of the videos like this also, please do make sure you subscribe to my channel. And it's just right there with the red button. In that, thank you so much. I will see you in the next moment to come. You're still here. My social media platform. If you want to follow me, I forgot.